What's up, YouTube? It's another episode of Hard and Hustle Printing, another video, whatever you want to call it. I just finished my first big order, which really isn't a big order, but it's my first big order of 13 shirts. I was able to do 13 Disney shirts for a family that's going out to Disneyland. So I appreciate them giving me the opportunity to make shirts for them so they can go on to Disneyland. So I hope they have a good time out there. My next order, I got another order right here for 7 shirts for Girl Scouts. Troop 46844. I want to give a special thanks to them also for giving me the opportunity to make them some shirts while they sell their Girl Scout cookies. I'm pretty sure this is being sold nationwide. Everybody's in the Girl Scout spirit with the cookies. But I've been having some problems tonight. As you can see right here, this is a shirt for a guy is man enough to be. And as you can see right here, the TO2BA is like slanted. Stick around, I'm going to show you how I fixed it. But till then, let me hit you with that intro. All right, so welcome back. So the problem was when I would send the file to the cutter would pull the roll and it would twist it because the roll that I had was too thick. So when it was pulling it, I don't know what it was doing. So what I ended up doing was go ahead and just pre-cutting all the pieces that I needed. So I pre-cut all the pieces so that it wouldn't have to pull the big old roll at one time, and then I don't know what it was doing, off pulling one side more than the other, I don't know. But I wasted probably like a good 3 feet of white vinyl. I did it like maybe 3 times, and I was getting frustrated and I didn't know what to do. So I was like, I'm just gonna pre-cut everything instead of just leaving it on the roll. Usually I just leave it on the roll like this. Leave it on the roll, feed what I got into it, put it on the roller, let it go. And it usually doesn't give me a problem, but this time I don't know what the deal was. I wasted, like I said, like 3 feet of it. But that's the way I fixed it. I just pre-cut them, and then I'm using this right here. So this is one that I have already set up. We had the old Cricut. I don't know, first one, maybe second one. So I just put it on there because I made this piece to go from the very edge to the very edge to like right here. As you can see, I measured it. I didn't want to waste no more. As we know, just starting off, you ain't making a lot of money on this, and then you wasting chunks like this right here. You see that? You wasting vinyl this big. That's not good money when you're charging someone 15, 20 bucks a shirt, and you're wasting a bunch of these, you know what I mean? But yeah, so this is what I end up doing. I pre-cut them. Pre-cut them to this size right here. And then I'm gonna just put it on this Cricut paper, because the rollers are gonna come up to past this to cut up here. So to keep the rollers from moving this, I just put it on this right here, and it'll be perfect. So I'm about to do 7 shirts. I'm going to show you the shirts that I'm going to do. I'm going to post some pictures up right here and show you the shirts I'm going to do. And then I'm going to get to cutting these, and then we'll press a couple of them. I'm not going to do all 7. That'll be a long video, but we'll do 7 of them. Hey, also, I just want to say I appreciate the 5 more subscribers that I got. I appreciate it. I got a couple videos that I got to do for some people that asked me, how did I do this or how did I do that? Or what's the difference between the silhouette, like someone has a Silhouette and switching over to Channel Express R Series 2. They have both. I understand it. I'd be scared too to switch over from one program to another. I bought my wife the Cameo 3, and she's asking me questions, and I'm like, I don't know, you know what I mean? Because the Cameo 3 is different from this, but it's got some of the same features, so I'm going to do a tutorial on some of the stuff that's the same, some of the stuff that's different. So, without further ado, let me show you what I'm going to cut, and then we're going to cut them, press a couple shirts, then we'll end this video. I don't want nothing too long. Lexi Expert open. Let me show you some of these. Here's one of the shirts I did right here. I've already did this one. Here's one of them. So it looks small here, but if you click here, let me show you the actual size of it. So I did this shirt for one parent. So here's one of the shirts. This is the first shirt I did. There's one of them. No, don't want to save it. I already got it. I did this one for a dad. This is the one I was messing up on. What do I do with that crap? That crap right there. So frustrating. I finally got it. That's the other one I did right there. So now I'm going to work on these right here. Alright, so the last of the shirts are going to be all of this one right here. Where you go? There it is. So I'm going to put it where I want it. Down here in the corner. Being that you can't see the white, so I'm going to make the background gray. Then I'm going to resize the background so we can just zoom into the rest of this. I've already pre-made all these. I've already wrote them out. So if you want to see a tutorial on how I did this, just let me know and I'll show you. Nothing fancy. The font that I'm using here is actually called Yahoo font. So get all this together, move it to the edge, move it down. Alright, so we're looking at, let me center this. Alright, then I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Alright, so we're going to go with this size right here. 10" by 12". So this program automatically separates the colors. So when I come up here to the top where the cut plot's at, click that. It will show me, give it a second, there it is. So it's going to show me the layout preview. So that's going to be all the white. I'll cut that. Then I'll go back and cut the green. And they should fit right into place with each other. So I'm going to go in here, cut this white out. Alright, so let me I'm gonna go ahead and send this over to the cutter, and I'll show y'all how it cuts as we go. Alright, my bad. I didn't realize I wasn't recording. I cut the green. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So, let me just weed this real quick. Alright, so here it is, the Gildan brand again. The Gildan brand. Let's give it a quick press. Straighten it out. So here's what it's going to look like. As you can see here, cut the wrong side, but it's okay, I fixed it. My blade wasn't deep enough, so it didn't cut the vinyl, but I fixed it. Trial and error, that's what we go through. So, here's the other part. I usually have my daughter film while I'm doing this, but she's not here tonight, so I'm doing this alone. So I'm going to go ahead and press this. Once I get done, I'm going to show you the finished product. So here's my final one. Press it for the last time. There it is. So I got a couple more of these I gotta do. Instead of boring y'all with 5 more shirts of this, I'll get back to you when I finish all 5. Show you all 7 of them. See you in a minute. Alright, so check this out. While I was doing those shirts, my plan was to finish the shirts, show you the shirts at the end of the video, but I made a mistake. I rushed through this order and I made a mistake, so I'm gonna show you what I did and show you how I'm gonna fix it. Alright, so it's supposed to say I'm a cookie mom, just like a normal mom, only cooler, but as you can tell, these are in the wrong spot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel these off. I'm gonna peel this off too. I don't like the way it came out. So I'm gonna peel this from here down and then start over. But you can go out and you can buy some spray, and I guess it'll peel it off. I'm just gonna go with an iron. I'm gonna heat it up and then peel it off. So I'm gonna show you a little quick video on how to do that. And then, so here we go. Alright, so here's where I'm at so far right now. Got that off and got that off. Still got some residue, but we'll get that off. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Then I'll get back to y'all when I get this all cleaned up. All right, so we got this thing finished up. Turn this damn TV down. All right, so I finished this up. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna cut the other stuff up that's gonna go on there. Press it on there. Hopefully you can't see it. If it comes out and you can see it, oh well. I'll make 2 of them, give her both of them. She'll have 2 shirts. But you live and you learn. You gotta pay attention. Attention to detail. I messed it up, but it's all good. Let me wrap this up down here, clean up this mess that I made, and then head up there. Get ready to finish this up. See y'all in a bit. Alright, so I came upstairs. I cut the black out, and I didn't like the way I still don't like the way it looks. You see that? So, I'm just gonna make a whole new shirt. And then, anyways, the green that I ordered is the wrong green. It's a lighter green compared to this darker green right here. There it is. So this green is lighter than the actual green that I used. This one that I ordered is from Vinyl Frog. So I'm gonna reorder this, or maybe I'll just make a new shirt with this one. Who knows? But I'm gonna redo this one. But here are the shirts that I did finish. So there it is. You can see the with that cutter that I have. Some clean cuts. Everybody's wondering how it does. So did that one. I did 4 of these. And then I did one for a dad. I actually did 2 for a dad. I did a different design. I didn't get it for the video, but I'll put a picture of it so y'all can see how it looked. Then I'm gonna redo the other shirt that I messed up. And then once I get that one done, I'll already have the shirts delivered to the person that's picking them up, so I'll put a picture on there too. You'll see that. But yeah, came out pretty good. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. So there's another order that I got done, 7 of them. It's not the big order, but like I said, I just finished my big order, the one with the Disney characters. So now I got these. Get out there, support your local Girl Scouts. And if you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, so you can stay tuned to future videos that I do for Heart and Hustle Printing. And thanks for tuning in one more time. Till next time, we'll see you. Heart and Hustle Printing. Peace out.